3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, 70!
Alright, it's ready for the Jolly Town. The Jolly Town leader. Rather than, it's Charlie B. Alright, everyone say hi to Charlie B. Hi, Charlie B. Yes, welcome here. One of your hosts, Charlie B. Okay, fresh from Charlie the Rocker, Charlie B.
Sis lagi.
Okay, may request everyone to please settle down. For this time, I will be having a short interview with our friend, Charlie B. Okay, and Charlie, your presence made us over the meeting. We're very happy to have you this morning, Charlie B. Okay? So good morning and welcome here to Lampere Home. Charlie B. Quadruple. Now, since we are here, there's the questions for you. Are you ready? Very much ready. For my first question is, what brought you here at Charlie B. Quadruple? You know what? Yes, you're Charlie B. You know why are you here, Charlie B? Yes, pamaon, gusto. Yes, this morning we are celebrating the second birthday party of Family. Okay, my second question is, have you seen our birthday boy now? Nakakita na ba kayo ni Charlie B? Okay, asa mo Charlie B? Okay, 2 years old boy, Charlie B. Okay? They're wearing a red polo shirt. Okay? Now, imong gitulo Charlie B, that's the daddy of Beverly. Okay, red polo, not a polo shirt, Charlie B. Okay, 2 years old boy. Okay, Beverly is our birthday boy, Beverly. Wow. Okay, ganahan mo, Charlie B. Okay, pagkatapos si Mapang. Okay, now we have done our birthday boy. Now I hear that you have wishes for him. Is it true? Okay. Pinakabook wishes, Charlie B. 1, 2, 3 wishes. Tawa na? Dapat ka po kumagko. Ako 5. Okay, let me your first wish for Zebedee. Okay, now he will grow strong, healthy like Charlie B. Wow. Okay, how about your second wish, Charlie B? Now he will grow, prayerful, have faith in God like everybody. Wow. So that is Charlie B. Okay, how about your third wish? That he will have more birthdays to come. Here at Charlie B. Quadros Galawin, Charlie B. Alright, so intensify your morning guys this morning, Charlie. I know that you prepared a very special dance number, not just for our birthday boy, but for everybody. Is it true, Charlie? Yes, of course. Alright, so let's ask them, Charlie, okay? Now, ladies and gentlemen, kids, do you want to see Charlie dance?
Yes!
Wow, this is powerful response, Charlie. Are you ready? Okay, now satisfied na si Charlie, okay? So, as simply remind ko lang na, may balon lang, so while Charlie is standing here in front, so di na tayo patulan ng mga bata to prevent accident, okay? So, ba't isa may go sa lawas, matiis, o batang ni Charlie B, okay, to prevent accident, okay? So, I know that we are ready, okay?
Di na siyang balik diha.
Let's start! Okay, kaya pahimang o pahimalo na dili na ito ipalo ng mga bata to prevent accident. Para dili sila naigo sa patang, sa patingin sa lawas o kalag ni Johnny P. Okay, are you ready? Very much ready now. Everybody can't wait any longer. So, without any further ado, let's give it to Johnny B. Masipang pakpak for Johnny B. Okay, nagilawa-lawa ang music. Warm up for Jollibee.
Warm up. Gising pa lang
You're about to start. On the West Coast, on the East Coast.
Sorry, Johnny.
Alright, so once again, Olivia Jollitown, Jollibee! Alright, let's everyone. Go Jollibee, keep your best this morning. Alright.
Here I come.
Wow. Alright, so
Wow, Becky, look at her butt.
Sexy Jollibee! Alright, good Jollibee lang yan.
Hey, Jazzy on. Hey! What's happening? We're drinking tonight, girl. What?
Alright, so let's open the door. Jollibee!
빠져있나요? 여보세요.
Alright! Jollibee! Jollibee, that would be cafe dance number. Okay, that nga, nga na Jollibee, mahirap kumita ng pera. Okay,